Losing a Donna Russell-Kuhr in manufacturing would be like removing oxygen from a room. I mean, honestly, that's how I feel like her influence in this industry.
It's become a lifestyle for me and my family. And now that my son and my daughter are involved, it's a lifestyle. You either love it or you don't, and I happen to love it.
I've known her for 34 years. We've worked together in a lot of different capacities, lots of different roles. She's amazing, a go-getter, hard work, determined, a great leader.
37 years flashed before me, and I looked at this team. It's not easy to do what we do and to grow, and all the great people to help us get to where we are today. And it's not just the people who work for me. I got customers that we've served for 30 years, and I am so grateful to them. And it's not just my customers and the people who work for me, but it's my dedicated suppliers. When we ask and we want more, guess what? They give us more. And then our people who work here. So I don't take that for granted.